wise pastor asked the crowd, "Do you have the courage to act on your inner vision?" Success takes courage, for it breeds contempt from those too afraid to be exceptional. He implored them not to neutralize their uniqueness just to fit in. It takes courage to be rich, educated, knowledgeable. The moment you stand out, critics will mock you for changing. But I ask you, did our ancestors endure so much just for us to blend in? Have the courage to chase your dreams. He reminded them that the best things take time. Rushing brings ruin. True wealth is the wisdom gained through struggle, not a lottery windfall soon lost. Like the seasons, our callings change, requiring us to let go of the old to embrace the new. Timing is everything. The batter's swing, the comedian's punchline, the rhythm of life itself, all successes depend on perfect timing. So ask God to teach you your season, that your words and deeds may bear fruit in their proper time.